Summer can be a real bummer when you're trying to sell things online. People are outside enjoying the weather and on vacation, and they're just not sitting in front of their computer screens as much as they usually do. In this video, I'll tell you some things I do to keep myself from getting depressed and frantic about low sales in the summer. I have my digital product business, my blog, and my YouTube channels, and they're all affected by the summer slump. So you can apply these methods to any type of online business that you have. So maybe when you started your business, you didn't realize that the summertime would be a slower sales time. And that's okay, because I was in the same boat. I didn't expect that at all. So when summer rolled around and my sales slowed down drastically, I kind of freaked out. But then I realized that that's just the natural flow of things, and that's just the lowest time for sales in most cases. Now what I do is I try to save some extra money from the months that are busier so that I don't have to stress out when the summertime rolls around. And you can actually just calculate this out once you've kind of gone through a summer season and it's been a little slower. You can see what you made and like what you make during the other months of the year, and then you can calculate your expenses and just figure out how much extra you need to put aside to make up for those months. So you could just have to put like a small amount each month from all the other months to make up for those few slow months in the summer. And that'll just really help you not feel so stressed out. Another thing you can do is sell some things for summer, or if you have a blog or YouTube channel, make some summer relevant content. So think about any summer activities, holidays, and events that you could make products for, or write blog posts about, or make videos about. So end of school, graduation, 4th of July, Memorial Day, and then there's back to school at the end of the summer. And don't forget about college students too, like dorm room type of things and stuff like that. Summertime is wedding season. So is there anything that you can make that is for weddings or bachelorette parties or bridal showers or bachelor parties? Now think about the events and activities that are popular during the summer, and can you make anything that would be relevant to those things? So like barbecuing, camping, swimming, kids' birthday parties, traveling, and summer sports are all things that you could think about making some products or content for. And this will really get some more money coming in during those summer months. If you don't have anything that people want to buy during the summer that's relevant to what they're doing in the summer, it's going to be a very slow time for you. So you really have to get on the bandwagon with this and get some products that will bring those sales to you. Now, another thing you can do, this isn't going to help you necessarily make money during the summer, but this is something that can take your mind off of having slower sales, and that's preparing for the seasons that are coming up. So the fall and the winter seasons, those are when people are spending the most money. And so you can really work on getting more things in your shop or on your blog or on your YouTube channel to prepare for that season that's coming up. That's going to be much busier, and you probably won't have time to be adding things at that time. This is also a great time to get organized. I don't know about you, but when things are busy, I tend to have a total disaster going on. So this is a great time to organize your files, organize things on your computer, and get your workspace cleaned up and organized. You can also update your product listings and photos, take better photos for your products, and anything else that you've been putting off because you were too busy. Another thing that you can do during the summer is get an email list started for your business. This way you have a way to contact your buyers and potential buyers. And next year, when the slow summer season comes along, you can be sending messages with your new products or whatever you have going on to get more sales from those people. And during the summer, people might be spending less time online, but they definitely check their email. Even when people are on vacation, they check their email. Now, if you're not sure how to start an email list and you would like a tutorial on that, leave me a comment and let me know, and I will be so happy to do a tutorial for you. I have a free email service that I use called MailerLite, and it's awesome, super easy to set up. This way you can keep in contact with your customers. But the basic idea is you want to have some sort of a freebie you can give them, like something informational, or you can also give a discount if you have a shop where you sell things. Then once they sign up for the email and get your free gift, then you have automatic messages that just get sent out to them. And then you can also send messages live if you want to. So you can do all of this in MailerLite, and it's free until you have 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to leave a link to that in the description for you. And if you want to check it out, be sure to check out that link down there. So another thing you can do to help keep yourself kind of in a good vibe during the slow time is to journal. And this really helps me stay positive and just helps me get all the negative, icky thoughts out of my head. I do have a free journal that I use to get myself to $10,000 a month. If you'd like to grab a copy of that, the link is in the description for you. And that journal that I made kind of walks you through figuring out how to solve your problems of your slow sales. If this video here hasn't been enough to help you solve those problems, then maybe you have some ideas of your own, but you just haven't thought of them. So the journal will help you kind of dig in and get to the bottom of what you can do about whatever problem you're having in your business. And if you don't want to grab my journal, you can even just use a lined notebook and just kind of write down the things that are bothering you and just get all your feelings out about it, and then what some possible solutions to it could be. And I promise it'll make you feel better. And if you want some ideas for summer digital products to sell, be sure to check out this video right here, and I will give you a big list of things that you can sell for the summer.